Hey, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got a little product here I want to show you from YAMATIC. Now, I'm a fan of YAMATIC water hoses. They work really great. I got them out there at the chickens for watering the chickens. But what they've sent me today is an industrial engineering heavy-duty pressure washer gun. And there's the replacement hose or that you might need. Sometimes them things get so stiff you can't even roll them up like that and get brittle or leak. So what we got in the kit, we got the hose, we got the handle part here, we got the wand here, good looking wand, and you know that's got the interchangeable tips fitting on that thing. So look here, they put a little rubber coating on there to protect those threads, so when you screw them into that wand and the handle, here's the trigger. Anyway, they won't get damaged. Here's the trigger. Man, that is beefy. That's a good heavy. Oh, just as soft, just as easy to pull. And here's your quick disconnect fittings. But what I like also so much is they sent you not one, not two, but 5 nozzles, 5 different spray nozzles with this thing. This is really, really well packaged. It's really put together well. I like this. This is going to be a great addition. Actually, it's going to be a great replacement for the one I got. My old system is worn out. It's not a YAMATIC though, but hey, this is pretty sharp. Listen, if you've got a pressure washer at your house, and maybe it's old, maybe it's worn out, maybe it doesn't spray as good as it used to, maybe but you don't want to buy a whole new pressure washer. This gun kit's what you're looking for. Comes with this long hose here, and I bet you, I don't remember how long that thing is, but that's a good size hose. I'm going to have to check that and see how long that is. They got a little contact card in here so you can get in touch with them, have any problems. And I'm gonna get this thing put together, and we're gonna put it on our pressure washer and give it a try. Now it's all ice and snow out there right now, so I can't do it right now. But hey, if you're looking for a replacement hose and gun, try the YAMATIC. It's been a good product for me. I believe it'll be a good product for you. Hey, y'all give it a look. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.